y'all, welcome back. So today I would call this my signature look. Like if I'm going somewhere, this is the look that I'ma do. This is the lip I'ma do. You know, so my eyes are not too boring, but it's like a neutral nude-ish look. The lashes really give it a little more bam, a little more bam than your everyday. But let's get into it.
I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, baby, I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Baby, I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls could catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and a lot of sex. And how the line of y'all is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke glasses. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know. To all local international codes, whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Baby, I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, baby, I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Baby, I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me, baby.
Now don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly and steal the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake movies I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Peppers, he got Nicky, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus needs. Can I please say my piece? If I rest to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like the beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of beat rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling.
Baby, I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, baby, I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Baby, I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me, baby.
What up, Pam? How your little man doing in New Jersey? Last I heard, he caught the flu and you was worried. Hope he feels better. And thanks, Jonetta from Cleveland, for that good head and your Jetta better believe it. Shanice, you my piece from Compton. Before I'm off the plane, make sure you cop some trees to spark up. Danielle, ATL, got them pictures in the mail. You sealed with a kiss and you sent it with Chanel. You looking good in that one, showing off your body. Had a Beverly Hills mommy that would buy me parties, take me to after parties. Her name was Kari, and it sucks that we didn't keep in touch. I'm sorry, but hey, Kim, how's Minneapolis? You so pretty, hate you show off your titties for silly glasses. Cause I love you, girls, though you ain't mine. I wish my arms was long enough to hug you all at the same time.
I'm calling, yeah, baby, I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, baby, I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Baby, I'm selfish. I told you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me, baby. I'm calling out to all my, you're my ladies, and I can't let you be with no one but me, baby.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I did miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having this place on earth, and I will take you there. the silence is so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having a place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there. Give me, please be done. Teach me, love me, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
y'all, so this is the finished look. I know I was busted and crusty before, but I am in love with this hair. Y'all, got this hair from Amazon, by the way. For all the people that are going to ask, it's from Amazon. It's very fun. My real hair is actually about this length or longer. But yeah, I cut a little cute little bang. I actually really didn't cut the bang. I kind of trimmed it right here. Falls perfectly. When I curl it, I like it when it like falls a little bit. But yeah, I will have this hair linked down below. I really love it. And this is my second or third time wearing this hair. And it's cute. It's actually a little shorter than my real hair, but I like it because it's too hot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. For makeup. Alright, that's better. But like I was saying, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I told y'all, consistency. I'm putting it across the screen right there. Consistency. We are consistent now. We are loving this process. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I gotta go. I'm supposed to be somewhere.